come in because I'm excited, and I know once you see where I'm at, you're gonna be excited as well. So just come right in and tell me where you're connecting from. You know, this is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and I promise you that I'll be taking you across the beautiful island of Jamaica, and I'm not allowing my promise to just go by like that. I'm keeping my promise. Today I'm in the beautiful parish of St. Anne's, and I'm literally sitting in the what should I say now, the pool area of Conoco waterfalls. So trust me, it's an very exciting time. Just give me a heart. Let me show you the falls. Beautiful falls. Hold on, let me dry off my hand. Let me dry off my hand. Alright, let me show you the falls. Beautiful falls right here in St. Anne's, Jamaica. I still get up to show you. Oh, thank you, Derek. So this is the pool, right? So I'm pretty near to the pool. I probably should try to show you the falls, but I don't want to slide. So this is just part of it. Alright, let me drive my hand again. Right here at Conoco Waterfalls, and Conoco stands for rainforest. So it's not only the waterfalls here, there are some exotic animals here, parrots. I saw a crocodile, I saw an iguana, I saw, what else did I see? I saw a peacock, I saw you know, Jamaican patu, owl, yeah, saw that too. So I saw a snake, well, several snakes. It's really nice here, and I'm just enjoying my time. So you know, as always, for Reason with Ashleigh-Ann, I intend to have a conversation with you about things that are on my mind. So this isn't necessarily a current affairs live. It's just to talk about the beauty of Jamaica. Like, if you're not in the island, I know, just looking at all of this that I'm enjoying, like, look at my foot. Let me show you guys. It calms you. It brings you at peace. Look at my foot, right there playing in the water. And I'm like, you know what? I'm enjoying myself so much at Conoco Falls. I have to bring my Jamaican.com friends here with me. So as you come in, just tell me where you're connecting from. Of course, my name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and yeah, as I was saying, Jamaica is such a beautiful country, and I intend to bring you right across the island, right? So I see that you're pretty quiet. This to the hi Hester from US Virgin Islands, and Derek is in the house. Derek is the first person to comment. Who else have some comments on me? I want to see if I can bring you to the other part. So I guess I'm the only vlogger who has ever done this. Yes, the falls are beautiful. Hi Rachel from Houston. Alright, let me take my time and step down. Yes, alright, that's the precipice over there, so I have to be very careful with what I'm doing. And there you have it, the falls, and it goes all the way. I don't know how in terms of meters, but it's not so big. It's not as big as Dunn's River, but it's beautiful, right? Yeah, so I think it's so important that you make Jamaica your place to relax, to just de-stress and really travel the island. There are so many Jamaicans living and working in the island, and they don't really appreciate or get the opportunity to appreciate its beauty. Are you hearing me clearly? Alright, Sandra says, I am Sandra from Connecticut. Robbie from Oxford, England. Is the water cold? Yes. Yes, it's cold. So, and I'm competing with the gush, the loud gush. Yes. Alright, I walk in because I want to show you that I can climb falls and do my life same way. Hi Andrea from, oh, this is Dawn from Brooklyn. Hi Neil from Edmonton, is in Canada, right? Hi Neil from Edmonton. I'm Kanaka Falls in St. Anne's, and this is the waterfall. So behind me is a beautiful waterfall, but it starts here and it travels all the way down. I can show you, and it travels all the way down. I'm at the top. Yeah, but it's really pretty, really pretty. Wow. Alright, Dehana says, hi Ashleigh-Ann, connecting from Bloomfield, Canada. Love seeing all the pics of all the sunshine. All I can see is snow and a snowstorm expected. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Hi Barbara from Bahamas. Big up my Bahamas people. Big up my Bahamas people. Hey, hey. Hi Marina from Belgium. When are you guys coming to Jamaica? You need to come. So I'm here with my friend and cousin. She's a designer, and she actually made this that I'm wearing. Hi Marina. Hi D-Back. How many waterfalls in Jamaica? Oh God, that seems like general knowledge now. Come on, D-Mac. Why you stress out my brain? I'm not so sure. I think in Ocherius there are 8 rivers, but I'm not so sure how many waterfalls. That's a question that I'll have to answer afterwards. Andrea is thanks for helping in hosting the Raytown Children's Street. Oh, you're most welcome, Andrea. You're most welcome. I enjoyed hosting the Raytown Children's Street. And look here, if you guys have any events that you need me to host, please call me up. I am ready to host it. Bringing the vibe, bringing the energy, just like this beautiful waterfalls. Alright, Dehana says the weather here is trying. It keeps coming in and out. I understand. Well, today it actually started as partly cloudy, and then the beautiful sunshine came out. So I'm just going to show you. So it's really pretty today. So Kanaka actually stands for rainforest. Where in St. Anne's is this? So it's actually at Pimento Walk. That's off Main Street in St. Anne's. So you can't lost. You understand? And you can actually get vehicles to come up here. Neil Anderson said, why you have to do this to me today? I'm sorry, but I just could not allow myself to just enjoy it all alone. I had to bring you with me, Neil. I'm having fun for the both of us. Let me know if you're hearing me clearly, because I have to be competing with the sound from the water gushing against the rock. But trust me, beautiful, it feels nice, it look nice, and feel nice. Alright, I have a friend, but I don't know if she wants to be in my live. Alright, let me go down to her. So let me take my time. This side is not so slippery, but on some of the rocks you have to be very, very, very careful. That's one thing though. For tourists, if you're not a Jamaican, you probably want to put on those water boots, right? But if you're really hard somebody, you just hold on for your rock and go down. But yes, it's really nice to enjoy Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful country, and we have people from all over the world coming and enjoying our natural flora and fauna. You understand? Enjoying our waters, enjoying our attractions. We as Jamaicans can do this too. Jamaicans abroad. Watch him almost drop. Jamaicans abroad can do it as well. We really need to enjoy our island. Hi Azez, I am wonderful today. I'm feeling so blessed today. Alright, actually have to take my time because I don't want to fall, and I have the phone in my hand. Like, this journalist will go at no limits to bring you guys updates, right? No camera? Okay, she said no camera, and I was actually coming towards her. Alright, so I won't be here for long. You can always post your questions and your videos. She says she's shy. Why you shy? She can't shy. Oh, she must shy. Hi, Javelin. Oh, hold on. I need to pronounce your name properly. So it's Javern. Am I pronouncing it right? Javern. Thank you for this. It made me feel warm. Oh my. Alright. So I don't feel warm. I actually feel cold. But I'm happy that it brought some warmth into your Sunday. Tell me where you are connecting from. And if you have any questions about where I'm at. As I said, be careful, my dear. I am being careful. I'm trying. Enjoy the sunshine for me from cold Maryland. You're most welcome. I don't know if I pronounced your name right. Jalvreen from New York. Oh, Rachel, it's cold there. I'm sorry to hear. So I won't be here for long, right? Big up yourself, Rachel from Houston. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Just a sneak peek of what I'm doing on my Sunday. I hope one of your Sundays will be just like this, because Jamaica is a beautiful place that you should be enjoying. Alright, until another time, this is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt on Jamaican exclusively on Jamaican.com Facebook page. Look out if it is that you're a small business. Tell me the name of your business. Post the name of your business in the comment section, and I'll tell you exactly how you as a small business owner can be a part of this experience. Alright? D-Max say, I wish Jamaican shy. I wish Jamaican shy. She better come on the video. Boston in the house. Alright, let me see if I can convince her before I end my live. So, I can convince her? You're coming? Okay, alright, I'm going to go to her. You're going to tell them about who you are. No, she says she's shy. No, my video is freezing. She says she's shy. She don't want to be on it. Basil says, where are you at in Jamaica? I'm actually at Conaco Falls. That's waterfall, rainforest / waterfalls, and an animal sanctuary, exotic animal sanctuary, right here in St. Anne's, Pimento Walk. So it's really not hard to find. It's very close to Main Street, right? So you can't lose, and it's beautiful. I'm not even giving them a plug because, you know, but I really enjoyed myself. And yeah, you can come with small children. You understand, there are tour guides here. And it's not just about Conaco Falls, because as I tell you, I will not be only doing live videos here. I'm taking you right across the island. So all the small businesses, if you have a small business and you want to be a part of this experience, put the name of your business. If it's not a business, a club, a charity group, whatever it is that you're a part of and you want to be a part of this experience, put the name of it in the comment section and I'll definitely be in touch with you. So you have to check their messages as well. Alright, so until another time, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt and this is Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt signing out.